Marthedal Solar Air and Heating, the home heating experts, addressing furnace repair service. We advise routine service and maintenance tune-ups for your heating system. As your system and furnace ages, it requires more thorough upkeep to prevent major heating issues. Despite all the care in the world, unexpected issues may still occur. As your system ages, things can fall apart. There are about 50 parts inside an average furnace that may incur possible mechanical failure. When your system fails, our technicians are one call away from helping you receive the best heating service in the valley. With our straightforward pricing, prompt service, and excellent customer care, we seek to build lasting relationships with our clients so that we can continue to care for your needs for years to come. Call us now or visit our website to learn more. A review from Chris A. says, "From start to completion, a first-class company. The Marthedal crew found, reported, and addressed other issues we never expected would affect our comfort. Our family is more comfortable and safer because of the trained professionals at Marthedal Air and Heating. These are our guys."